Here we come to the elevator at the Texas Seaport Museum in Galveston, Texas. And look at this Montgomery Vector that is still original. Oh, it's got bumpers too. This is the second Montgomery Vector in Texas that is still working and accessible too. The floor indicator is completely dead. There's your call button right there. Check this out. It's got the old bumpers. Let's count to 1. It's just your basic elevator. I'll go for one more ride. Can't hear the motor well because of that fan. There's your phone. All right, back down to 1 and there. I'm gonna have to agree with Zach, who is Andrew's friend. These Montgomery Vectors do indeed press like old computer keys. All right, we'll go ahead and watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.